Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are cleaning a huge mess. I recently worked on a project in one area of the house and neglected the other spaces of the house, so let's go ahead, get up and do some cleaning together.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading up the way for sure.
So first I'm going to give you all a look at the mess that we are dealing with today. I recently decluttered and organized my son's bedroom in preparation for this summer. I'll have that linked above and also in my description box if you have not seen that video yet. But it took me 2 days to organize and declutter his room, and during that time I kind of wasn't focusing on other areas of the house. So this is the next day and I need to just get everything in order.
When we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and our worn-out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications, those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and single to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in our worn-out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
I'd like to just take a quick second to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys. My older son Jackson is 7 and I have a 2-year-old named Lincoln. And here on my channel you can find tons of cleaning motivation and also any homemaking ideas. I love decorating for all the different seasons. Make sure you are subscribed and you have your notifications turned on because I am working on a summer clean and decorate with me. It's going to be so fun. I've already kind of been working on different areas of my home. Like I said, I just recently decluttered my son's bedroom. It's just whenever summer break comes around, I kind of treat that like the new year, being that my son is going to be home a lot more. I like to declutter and get everything cleaned out and organized. This definitely also helps when it's time for back to school, so that I can bring in any new school supplies or new school clothes, and I know that I have plenty of space and storage for everything. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and you have your notification bell turned on. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. But everyone, introduce yourself to me in the comments below if you have not done so already. If you have introduced yourself to me before, please just say hello so that I know you're watching and so that I can say hi back.
So much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
Now I am moving into our family room and dining room area to get this space cleaned up. This dining room table has always kind of been a catch-all problem for me, but it looks a little bit worse because I have been trying to take care of it and keep it a lot more cleaner, but because I just decluttered my son's room, a lot of the things that I was going to donate to people that we know, I kind of sat them around in this area, but I went ahead and I moved those over towards the front door to make it easy for me to either remember to put them in my car when I'm going out, or if someone comes over to pick something up, I can just easily have it right at the front door to give to them. And if you're new here, well, if you are not new here, you may notice that I'm wearing shoes in this video, and I don't normally always wear shoes when I'm cleaning up around the house. I usually just wear socks or slippers, but sometimes when the house gets really messy like this, just to help keep me productive and to stay on my feet, I will put on shoes. As a stay-at-home mom, putting on clothes every day and like getting ready is really important to me because I do feel like that it helps with my productivity. But putting on shoes, I don't know what it is about wearing shoes when I'm cleaning up. It really does just take it to the next level for me. Like, I don't sit down at all. I just keep working until everything is done. Let me know if anyone is like that. Like, do you guys wear shoes when you're cleaning just to help you feel more productive?
You just wanna break my heart. No, it's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you. Someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything shine on me. I go out.
So one of my best tips for laundry is to just always put everything right away as soon as you finish folding. I know I used to have a really bad habit of like folding things and saying like, oh, I'll put them away later and putting them back in a basket or leaving them lingering around. I like to just quickly put everything right away. It makes everything look so much cleaner, and you know that laundry is completely checked off of your to-do list.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign.
Now it's time to tackle my boy's messy bathroom. I usually have to clean in this area just about every day, and like the day before I had given, well, I think it was about 2 days before, I had given this bathroom a really good deep clean. So I mostly just needed to put things away and tidy it up and just get it smelling fresh and clean again.
Be a little risk and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be.
Lately, I've been talking about this Method Daily Cleaner for the bathtub. I have gotten addicted to this product for my boy's bathtub. I love that it's not as harsh as some other chemicals when I'm cleaning the tub, so I'm not super worried about it when I'm using it to clean every day. Before, I would use like Comet or Clorox to make sure that I get it really clean, but lately I've kind of just switched to using this every day and giving their tub a good wipe down and rinsing it out. It just gives me so much peace of mind knowing that there aren't any really harsh chemicals floating around in their bath water if I don't rinse it off all the way completely. And I also use this on the walls to scrub the walls, and I know you can't see it on video, but there is a really nice thud on the wall from the cleaner, so I know that the tile walls are also getting cleaned.
When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, we've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been.
And now we are all done. It feels so good to have the house clean and back in order again. If you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign.